just stand on it, and then feet on both pads. And you turn right or left, lean forward to go forward, lean backwards to go backwards. And the turn, you have to, not do that, but like, you have to put your right foot forward like this, and your left foot like backwards, like basically just kind of lean your left foot like that to make it go back, like that, and then just kind of lean your left foot backwards to go left, lean your left foot backwards and your right foot forward to go back to turn left like this. To go the other way, you do the opposite, put your right forward and your right foot backwards. That's pretty much it, So yeah, that's the review of the Jetson Magma hoverboard. So yeah, hope you enjoyed this video, and make sure to comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.